Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? Yesterday I think we were discuss about the structure of T.Y.B.Sc chemistry. What do you mean by that? Acronyms are the short form used during that structure of T.Y.B.Sc chemistry. According to the choice-based credit system 2019 pattern of Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. So where they use as a DSCC means discipline specific core course, which is introduced at FY and SY level. AECC means ability enhancement compulsory course, which is also introduced at SYBSc level. And now at T.Y.B.Sc level, DSEC means discipline specific elective course, and another one is a SEC means skill enhancement course. These are the short form which we were discussed in our previous lectures. Today we are going to discuss about remaining things. What are the important point you should remember here? So number one, each credit is equivalent to 18 lectures. Each credit is equivalent to 18 lectures. Remember that we are discussing what are the choice-based credit system. Here each credit means one credit is equivalent to 18 lectures. So 2 credit equivalent to 36 lectures, double of it. And each credit is equivalent to 18 lectures of 50 minutes. 50 minutes lecture it is. 50 minutes lectures. One credit 18 lectures of 15 minutes for theory courses and 36 lecture of 50 minutes for practical courses. Remember here one credit equivalent to 18 lectures, one lecture for 15 minutes. Similarly 2 credits 36 lectures or practical. Here for practical 1 credit, let's see here, 1 credit equivalent to 36 lectures. This is for theory and this is for practical. Once again 15 minutes. 15 minutes for practical course. This is for a practical course, 1 credit 36 lecture, and for practical course that is a 50 minutes. Number 2, there will be 12 practical sessions. 12 practical sessions. 12 practical sessions per semester of 4 hours. Per semester of 4 hours 20 minutes each. 4 hours 20 minutes each. 4 hours and 20 minutes each. 12 practicals. And number 3, total weeks for teaching and internal evaluation are 15. Remember, total weeks for teaching and internal evaluation are 15. Out of the 15 weeks, means total number of weeks, 15 weeks. 15 weeks, total number of 15 weeks. Out of the 15 weeks, 12 weeks for teaching and 3 weeks for internal evaluation. out of 12 weeks for teaching and 3 weeks for internal evaluation. That is there. Theory as well as practical. Number 4, for more details, refer to undergraduate rules and regulations, CBCS credit based choice system for science program under science and technology on Savitribai Phule Pune University website. These are the 4 important points we have discussed right now. Now let us see evaluation pattern. Let us see the evaluation pattern. In T.Y.B.Sc you already discussed, but here I am giving some details or some revisions so that you will be able to understood what kind of the evaluation methods are generally proposed by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune for choice-based credit system, choice-based credit system. That rule we are discussing here. Evaluation pattern here. Evaluation pattern as per CBCS rules, Savitribai Phule Pune University 2019 pattern that we are discussing. So first rule, each theory practical course carry 50 marks. Each practical course carry 50 marks. Remember this one. Each theory practical course carry 50 marks equivalent to 2 credits. This is equivalent to 2 credits. Each practical course carry 50 mark equivalent to 2 credits. Number 2, each course will be evaluated with continuous internal assessment and university assessment mechanism. Each course will be evaluated continuous internal assessment as well as university external assessment mechanism. Here the systematic, and as far as organic chemistry is concerned, we know that organic chemistry means study of compound that contains carbon atom is termed as organic chemistry. Why carbon compound? The answer associated or involved carbon atom has one unique property the name of that unique property is a catenation. Catenation means what? To form the chain. That is the meaning of that catenation. To form the chain, catenation means. And as we know that in the modern long form periodic table, right now or the presently there are 118 elements are present, and out of 180 element, carbon has one unique property, which is catenation, means to form the chain. Other element of the long form of the periodic table do not have such kind of the property, and due to that special property of that carbon atom, there are millions of organic compounds are known, thousands of organic compounds are synthesized every day in the different research laboratories, such as whenever there is a research center at college levels or in the university departments or some of the institutes like NCL, which is present at Pune, National Chemical Laboratories, or near that one ICER is there, which is also. So in such an institution, every day research are going on that particular field. So that's there. Now coming back to our discussion, we are discussing the evaluation pattern as per CBCS rules formulated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune 2019 pattern. Number 3, continuous internal assessment shall be of 15 mark. This is continuous internal assessment of 15 marks, which is of 30%, and this is for 35, weightage of 70%. Continuous internal assessment shall be of 15 marks, 30%, while university evaluation shall be of 35 mark, means 70%. This one. To pass, number 4, to pass each course, a student has to secure 40% mark. For passing 40%, this is for passing mark. To secure 40% mark in continuous assessment as well as university assessment, that is minimum out of 15 you must get 6 mark, whereas out of 35 you must get 14. So total here becomes as a 20, and now here is a 50, which is nothing but as a 40%, like this. That is a minimum 6 mark in continuous assessment and 14 mark in university assessment in the respective course. Number 5, for continuous internal assessment, minimum two tests, two tests, minimum two tests per paper must be organized, of which one must be written test of 10 mark. One must be written test of 10 mark. One must be written state of 10 marks. Written test of 10 mark. And now is the number 6, method of assessment for internal exam. Method of assessment for internal methods. Methods for internal marks. Number 1, or here you can remember. So here written test for 30 mark and rest method for internal marks. Written test, multiple choice, written test. Second would be MCQ, multiple choice question. Third may be Viva voice. Fourth one, project survey. Fifth one, field visits. Sixth one, tutorials. Seventh one, assignments. Eighth one, that is a group discussion, GD, group discussion, etc. These are the different ways you can assess, or you can evaluate, or you can give mark on the basis of. These are the different method for giving the mark. Internal mark, that is a continuous internal assessment. So you can add up, teacher can add up. These are the different ways. These are the different guidelines given by the University of Pune for the internal marks. The teacher can take written test or multiple choice question type test or Viva voice or project survey, field visits, tutorials, assignments, group discussion, etc. By using these different methods, they can give out of 15 marks. The minimum requirement is 6 marks. Student should secure 6 marks for passing purpose, and out of 35 the student must get 14 mark or should secure 14 mark. Internal 6 and external 14, the total becomes as a 20. Out of 50, those students getting as a 20 mark, they will be passed in a, so that they can secure this passing mark. Okay. Number 5 that we have just number 5 also we have completed. Number 6 method of assessment. Now number 7 theory university assessment question paper pattern according to CBCS choice-based credit system 2019 pattern of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Note that in the theory question paper weightage will be given to each topic equivalent to number of lectures assigned in the syllabus. Now let us look at preambles of this choice-based credit system 2019 pattern. The syllabus of chemistry for third year has been redesigned for choice-based credit system 2019 pattern and to be implemented from assessment academic year 2021 and 2022. In choice-based credit system pattern, semester system has been adopted for B.Sc degree program. Different types of courses are introduced at a degree level of discipline specific core course DSCC, ability enhancement compulsory course AECC, discipline specific elective course DSEC and skill enhancement course SEC. DSCC courses has been introduced at FY/SY level and AECC courses at SY level, TY level, DSEC and SEC courses are to be introduced. Third year's syllabus comprises of 6 theory and 3 practical courses of DSEC type and 2 theory SEC per semester. Then after that we are going to discuss the equivalence with previous syllabus 2013 pattern. We are going to study, we are going to see the comparative equivalence with previous syllabus. I think that we will discuss in our upcoming lectures. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.